Ningbo Hai Shu Colorido Digital Technology Company Limited was built up in 2015. Thinking differently, printing differently are our Colorido prospects. We devote ourselves all the way for the unique design and perfect color printing solutions. We formulate various solutions for client to be a specialist in digital printing industry. With this goal, we comprehensively consider to develop customized digital printer based on your real manufacturing process capability and supply you the printer's components, accessories, together with other derivatives for printing, such as blank sublimation socks, seamless yoga suits, etc. Also, we supply the pre-treatment and fishing equipment. Colorido has committed to the goal in the past, and we promise to keep this goal in the future. We have our own workshop with different series of self-developed printers, from the original type to the new upgraded model one. This also helps us simulating our customers' manufacturing process and self-improving our solutions ahead to cope with the potential problems that they might need on the other day for the diverse fabrics in printing. We save our customers energy and time to make sure they have efficient production line. Our staffs have professional training every month to promote the service awareness and also the technical support. All in all, regarding our advantages, we always stand in customers' point of view to issue multiple design plans, with the purpose of guiding customers being specialists in digital printing and win-win in the market.
We can provide optional digital printing solutions with derivative products, such as what you see here, the socks and the buff scarves and seamless yoga suits, which meet your requirements. Welcome to contact us.